I'm standing in this very busy district of Can Tho, about to sample something which I haven't tried for over 15 years. Snake. Now, this place was recommended, and looks like we've got the whole place to ourselves. So I will ask this gentleman what's on offer. So it says there's snake stew with lemongrass or grilled snake with green bean porridge. So can we have the snake stew with lemongrass? Okay, so we'll take one.
Nó bự hơn nhiều lắm.
Woof. Wow.
Con này là hơi...
Can I? Yeah?
Cầm bình thường đó Hiền. Hiền cô. Rồi.
It's okay?
Đúng rồi.
Can you... There we go.
Nè. Ăn được.
Wow. Okay. So I've just ordered it. As you can see, the place is quite primitive. It takes 25 minutes to cook, which is what he mentioned. But apparently it gets quite busy during the weekends. It's Tuesday today, so that's probably why it's somewhat empty. Also a little bit early for dinner. It's coming up to 6 o'clock. This is quite a respectable animal in Vietnamese culture, much like eating dog in the West. Now, snakes keep the vermin count down from rice fields, which is why a lot of the Vietnamese apparently don't like to eat snake. Now, I had this probably 15 years ago in the back streets of Jakarta. It's been quite a while since I've had it, and I've totally forgotten what the taste is like. But when I had it mixed with the local herbs and spices, it was quite nice from my recognition. The thing that was a little bit challenging was the snake's blood, which they squeezed into a glass with some alcohol and told me to knock it back for a cost of $10. Now the snake itself cost only $1, so I'm not really keen on trying the blood this time round. Anyway, that was my story from Indonesia. We've got some nice, what is this? It looks like some fresh produce. This looks like... Hi, do you speak English? What is this? This goes with the snake, doesn't it? Yes? Oh, pennywort. This is pennywort. I mean, some of these are totally alien to me. We don't have these in many parts of where I'm from. Loofah.
Yes.
England.
Wow.
Yeah. You?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Nice. All I smell at the moment is vegetables. And of course charcoal. It's a bit like a sort of snake hot pot, seems like. And that's what's keeping it warm.
Yeah.
Okay. So the owner explained it needed to soften, even though it's cooked. Voila. Now, I don't really know where to begin with this. Obviously, accompanies the vegetables to my right. So I'll pop the lid back on. Ooh, wow, the charcoal really does get to the back of your eyes from the fumes. Whew. Right, let's give this a go. Well, that's obviously for the flavouring. Let's go for it, shall we? Oh, it's very rubbery. I'm going to use my fingers because it's it's not too rich. It's extremely rubbery, but good. What does it taste like? Well, it's hard to describe, I suppose. It's a bit like chicken.
Really?
They've obviously deep fried it with chili, and I think that's compliments of the chef here. I need something to wipe my hands. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now that is something.
Thank you.
It's like dried fish. It's a little bit salty, but not too salty. It goes very well with this rather sweet dressing, which I don't know the name of. And that is absolutely delicious. There we go. Oh, still going with this. 1.5 hours later. So what I wanted to add was, like with a lot of organs, clearly which the snake has, the liver and the kidney, the tastes are very much like that of chicken or pork for that matter. And as the meat gently simmers in the pot, it becomes a little bit more succulent and easy to chew and digest. Now, something like this set us back 900,000 dong, which works out as approximately 30 euros. So it's not cheap, certainly a delicacy within the country, and I do recommend it. Very nicely seasoned with the lemongrass, and like with a lot of other dishes, there's different ways to prepare it. So you can grill it. When I had it the first time, they turned it into snake satay. So of course the flavour will differ depending on the way you cook it as well and what you add to it respectively. But it's not a vile meat by any means. Oh, that was good. So that meal was very symbolic for sure, owing to the fact that the Lunar New Year is the year of the snake. So follow me for more of my adventures around Vietnam. Stay safe, and thank you very much for watching as always.